Good day po teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Park kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning resources. So meron po tayong quick update lang po ito teachers kasi meron pa pong mga teachers na hindi alam na ito pong bagong dress code na pinapatupad ng Civil Service Commission. So kung tayo po ba ay susunod na rito or hindi pa po. So sa mga nakakaalam na po, ay ano po yan, no? Good po yan kasi alam na po natin kung ano yung dapat gawin. Sa mga teachers po na hindi pa po nakakaalam, ay ito po yung ating i-share po ngayon. So, nung last January 8 nga po ay sumulat po yung ating representative from TDC, si Benjo Basas, regarding po sa ito pong uniform na pinapatupad po ng Civil Service Commission. So, ito po ay para sa dress code. At binigyan rin po ng copy ang ating Deputy Secretary na si Secretary Sana Engara. So, kung maalala po natin ay naglabas po ng dress code yung Civil Service Commission na pag Monday daw po ay dapat Filipiniana attire yung dapat natin yung suotin. So, ang tanong ng marami po is, ito po ay dapat bang sundin agad or kung meron po tayong dapat hintayin. So, ito po yung lumabas na bago naman pong DepEd guidelines sa ito pong pinapatupad na uniform ng Civil Service Commission. So, nakalagay po rito, Advisory on Civil Service Commission Memorandum Circular Number 16, Series 2024, entitled Revised Dress Code for Government Officials and Employees. Kaya, nagkaroon ng confusion kung kasama po ba tayo dyan or hindi. Dahil marami nga pong issues regarding sa pagsuot po ng Filipiniana tuwing Monday since marami pong dapat i-consider. So, sabi po rito, number 1, DepEd is given a period of 6 months to formulate the issue and its internal guidelines in alignment with the revised dress code stipulated in the Civil Service Commission Memorandum number 16. So, the DepEd Uniform Committee shall formulate the recommended to DepEd Executive Committee the internal guidelines upon consultation with its official as well as teaching and non-teaching personnel. So, magkakaroon po muna na sila ng mga meetings for a period of 6 months bago po maglabas ng internal guidelines. The new dress code policy will take effect only upon the issuance of DepEd's internal guidelines. So, wala pa pong bagong dress code policy hanggat wala pa pong nilalabas na DepEd's internal guidelines. All fields or offices are advised to continue adhering to memorandum entitled Wearing of the Prescribed DepEd Uniform and Office Attire dated September 12, 2022. So, yun po ang mali na doon teachers, no? Wala pa pong nilalabas na DepEd's internal guidelines regarding po dito po sa Civil Service Commission dress code for government officials and employees. So, hihintayin pa po natin yon. So, after pa po, in a period of 6 months, pang naglabas po sila ng internal guidelines, noon lang po malilinawan kung ano po mangyayari sa ating uniform, no? Na susuotin po natin. And just to give you some, po rito, yung views po at iba pong mga teachers and other people, sana raw po maglabas po ng new set of uniform and then meron daw pong ASEAN-inspired, no? Para magamit sa... And then yan po, issue pa rin po yung aircon sa classroom. At dahil po marami rin pong ibang teachers, nagwawalis pa rin po, naglilinis ng classroom. So, and then congested po yung mga classroom. So, parang hindi po appropriate yung Filipiniana attire. So, hopefully, maging malinaw po yan sa ating lahat after po ng DepEd internal guidelines regarding po sa bagong nilabas na revised dress code ng Civil Service Commission. So, yun lang po, teachers. Sana naliwanan po tayo na hindi pa po effective yan, no? Hindi pa po tayo kasali dyan sa bagong revised dress code ng Civil Service Commission. So, kung nagustuhan niyo po itong video na to, teachers, so please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more DepEd news and updates. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.